Good morning, students. Welcome in SST class. Today we will start a new chapter of civics. We have completed one chapter of history. So today we will start the chapter 1 in the civics, and after completing the first chapter of the civics, we will start the first chapter of geography. That means we will carry the one chapter from each one. Clear? So the first chapter of civics is understanding of diversity. So what does it mean, diversity? So first of all you need to know. So in the term of diversity we can say, or we can see the different type of peoples around us, or we can say the different kind of people live together. It's known as the diversity. So what kind of peoples? Different peoples mean what kind of people? The people may be different by their wearing style. People may be different by their language, by their costumes, by their beliefs, by their religion, etc. Clear? And they all live together. This is known as the diversity. So you can see around us there is a lots of people wearing the pant shirt, someone wearing dhoti kurta, someone wearing kurta pajama, and someone is a Hindu, someone Muslim, someone Sikh, Isai, and related to all religion. And someone speak Hindi, someone speak English, someone speaks Punjabi, Udiya, Malayalam, Telugu, etc. These are the diversity in India. So India is the very diverse country, and there is no any foundation to follow any particular religion or speak any particular language. In India, we are free to choose to speak any language, choose to follow any religions, and all that. So this is diversity. कहें कि डाइवर्सिटी का मतलब क्या होता है? भिन्नता, विभिन्नता। विभिन्नता किस आधार पे हो सकती है? भिन्नता किस आधार पे हो सकती है? भिन्नता हमारे बोलचाल पे हो सकती है, हमारे भाषा पे हो सकती है, हमारे पहनावे पे हो सकती है, हमारे धर्म पे हो सकता है, हम जिन चीज़ों में विश्वास रखते हैं, हमारा जो बिलीफ सिस्टम है, बिलीफ है, उस पर हो सकता है। ये सारी चीज़ें क्या है? डाइवर्सिटी हैं। और ये डाइवर्सिटी कैसे हमारे साथ रहती हैं और कैसे हमारे हमको इसके बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं, इसके पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स क्या हैं, इंडिया के अंदर किस किस तरह की डाइवर्सिटी है, वी हैव टू स्टडी दिस. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द ओवरव्यू ऑफ द डाइवर्सिटी. जस्ट लुक इनटू योर टेक्स्ट बुक. Meaning of diversity. Diversity means the state of being diverse. Diverse means the state of being diverse means that state which have the all kind of people. They are different by their language, by their costumes, by their wearing style, by their religion, and etc. We see different type of people in surrounding. They are in different dresses, that is some wear kurta, dhoti, while some other wear kurta pajama, etc. They speak different languages, that is Hindi, Urdu, Bengali, etc. They follow different religion, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, etc. So already I told you that the diversity may be by language, languages, by religion, by religion, by costume, which known as wearing style also, by food habit, etc. You can say it is. Diversity may exist in our society on the basis of language. Language may be different, like may be Hindi, may be English, may be Bengali, may be Malayalam, may be Telugu, etc. etc. And religion may be Hindu, Muslim, that religion Islam, Christian, etc. Wearing style, pant shirt, धोती कुर्ता, कुर्ता पैजामा, etc. Food habit, maybe there is the northern India food, northern India, East Indian food. There is a different kind of food habit in Eastern India, and South India also have a different kind of food habit. So the diversity may be by the language, by the religion, by the costume, by the food habits. There is some positive aspect also of the diversity. So what is the benefit of the diversity in our society, and why should we respect the diversity? There is some positive respect. Positive aspect. So just looking to your textbook, positive aspects of diversity. Diversity add to our lives the various different, that diversity includes actually enrich our lives in a many way. How the diversity enrich our life, how to create a value in our life. So we will look, we can be friends with the people who are very different from us. This can enrich our quality of life. We can eat a variety of food that are different from the food that we normally eat. We can enjoy by celebrating different festivals, wearing different clothes, and learning different language. If we live with the different kind of people, we may learn the different kind of habit with them. Like if they have some different food habits, we can enjoy their food. If they have the different kind of wearing style, then we also can enjoy their wearing style, enjoy their festivals, and learn many things from them, like language and etc. Diversity enriches our knowledge. When we read a good story, even in other language, we feel happy because it gives lots of idea. Diversity, if we live in the different kind of peoples who have a different language, and they have some books of the different language, we can read that book and enjoy that book and learn the many things from that books. The authors also get a lot of idea from diversity to write a story or book. They get idea from different books and real life situations. They imagine on the basis of available facts. The authors also take as a resources the diversity. It's act like a resource for the authors. Authors, when they are going to write any books, they got or they gets a many kind of facts and the other very important information from the different languages. After that, they can create a very interestful story and whatever they are writing. For example, the Geet Govind was written by Jayadeva in Sanskrit language, but it is used even today by dancers of different dance forms throughout the country. A Geet Govind is a book which is written in Sanskrit language by Jayadeva, and that books may be the art of the dance, and nowadays these books used by the different dancers in the डिफरेंट कंट्री. एक जयदेवा की बुक है गीत गोविंद, जो में भी डांस के कला को सिखाती है, और वो बुक आज डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज में डिफरेंट कंट्री में अलग अलग कंट्री में अलग अलग लैंग्वेज में आज डांसर्स के थ्रू पढ़ा जाता है और उससे वो डांस सीखते हैं. वी रीड एंड राइट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्टोरी और बुक्स. They may relate to real accounts of various kings and queens, story about love and honor, forest fight and friendship between people and animals, etc. It would not be possible for the storytellers and the writers to write such a story or books by living in a one place. If there is diversity does not exist, we lost a lots of story which is related to lots of kings who have the different language and different religion and different beliefs. जैसे हमें इस तरीके की भाषाओं का ज्ञान नहीं होता, डाइवर्सिटी नहीं होती, तो ये ढेर सारी जो स्टोरी हैं जो आज हम पढ़ते हैं अलग अलग भाषाओं में, ऑथर्स को वो भाषा यदि नहीं आती, वो लैंग्वेज नहीं आता, तो शायद वो स्टोरी हम नहीं पढ़ पाते आज, और वो हमसे छूट जाता और हम उससे रह जाते. So, how the diversity exists in India, we will start in the next class. Just revise till the cloths on a page number 131. Thank you, students.